Ready to reach more customers without annoying them with a ringing phone? Let's dive into how to set up Vapi AI for efficient ringless voicemail campaigns. Getting your message heard directly in their voicemail boxes. First, you need a Vapi AI account. Log into your account. It should look like this. Navigate to the campaign creation section. This is where the magic happens. Click on the Create Campaign button, usually prominently displayed. Now, name your campaign something descriptive. Next, select your audio file. This is your ringless voicemail message. Careful to make that audio file short enough for the length of time allowed. Also, it's imperative that you have an audio quality of 16-bit or more. You need a list of phone numbers. This should be a verified CSV file containing the phone numbers you want to reach. Upload that CSV with the phone numbers. Next, schedule your campaign. Choose the start date, time, and other scheduling preferences. Review the settings so you aren't missing any vital detail, and you're all set to go. Once your campaign is running, monitor its progress through the analytics dashboard. Track delivery rates, listen to completed voicemails, and make adjustments as needed. Optimize your future campaigns based on the insights you gain from each run. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize ringless voicemail with Vapi AI, reaching your prospects effortlessly.